Good morning, my dear students. Today we will revise chapter 13, The Earth. All of you open your book, take pencil and notebook with you. Okay. The Earth. We live on the Earth. It is our home planet. It is round in shape. There is air all around the Earth. There is more water than land on the Earth. We live on land. The Earth is also the home for plants and animals. A small model of the Earth is called a globe. This is the picture of globe. First we talk about the land forms. The land is not the same everywhere. There are plains, hills, mountains, valley, desert and islands. First we talk about the plains. Flat. Flat land areas are called plains. Okay students? Most people live in plains. Second is hill. Areas of earth which are at higher level than the ground are called hills. Okay. Next, mountain. High hills are called mountains. Hills are small, but high hills are called mountains. Next, valleys. A low land. This is lowland. This is lowland. A lowland between two mountains or hills is called a valley. Okay. Next, plateau. Plateau is also known as tableland, like a table. It is high but flat on the top. Okay. Next, island. A piece of land surrounded all sides by water, called an island. Desert. Desert is a dry area. Okay. Here we found cactus, date, palm trees. Some parts of the earth with very little or no rain are covered with sand. They are called desert. Okay students. So different type of landforms are plains, hills, mountains, valley, plateau, island and desert. Plateau is known as tableland. Now next, water bodies. Turn the page. Page number 54. Water bodies. There are large and small water bodies on the earth's surface. Ocean and sea are very large water body. Ocean are very large. Then sea. Ocean and sea are very large water bodies. The ocean water is salty. We cannot drink it. We found different type of water animals here. Big seas are called oceans. Okay. There are 5 oceans in the world. Rivers. This is the picture of river. When snow on high mountain melt, that they forms a river. Okay students. A river flows down the mountain. River water is not salty and is called fresh water. Next, lake. At some places, fresh or salty water is surrounded by land. Such areas of water are called lakes. Next and last, pond. Very small water bodies. Ponds are a small area of collected rainwater. Okay. So different type of water bodies are ocean, seas, river, lake and pond. Let us revise worksheet 13. Page number 55. Worksheet 13. Exercise A. Filling the blanks. We leave on the, here are given options: water, mountain, earth, home or pig. We live on the earth. Earth is our home planet. Number 1, filling the blanks, answer is earth. We live on the earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Okay. The earth is covered with land and water. Second answer is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Third, the earth is the dash for plants and animals. Yes, very easy. Home. H-O-M-E, home. Next, the pointed top of mountain is called. Suppose this is the picture of mountain and this is pointed top. The pointed top of mountain is called peak. The pointed top of mountain is called peak. A river start from, 5 number. A river start from, what is the answer? Mountain. A river start from mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Okay, students. Next exercise. True, false. Exercise B. True, false. 1 number. A hill is higher than a mountain. So see, this is the picture of hill and this is the picture of mountain. Which is higher? Mountain. So 1 number is false. Next, 2 number. This is the picture of hill and this is the picture of mountain. So which is higher? Mountain is higher, hill is not higher. A sea is deeper than a lake. Sea. This is the sea and this is the lake. Which is deeper? This. Sea. So answer is true. Number 3. A pond is larger than a lake. This is the picture of pond and this is the picture of lake. Which is larger? Pond or lake? Yes, the lake. The pond is larger than a lake? No, wrong. 3 number, false. Read sentence carefully. We can, 4 number. Suppose this is the picture of place and this is the picture of valley. Where we can run fast? Here or here? Then here. So answer is plain. 4 number, true. 5 number, there is more water than land on the earth. Yes, true. 5 number, true. So, a hill is higher than a mountain. No, false. A sea is deeper than a lake. True. A pond is larger than a lake. False. We can run fast on plains than on hills. Yeah, no, yes. There is more water than land on the earth. Yes. Next, take the right option. Exercise C. The flat land areas are called. 1 number. Exercise A. This is the flat land area. What we called it? Hill, plains, valley. And this is hill. And this is valley. What we call? This is valley, this is hill, and this is plain. The flat land area. Where is flat? Here is flat. So answer is plains. Okay. Next. Lowland between two hills is called. And this is hill and this is the lowland. What is this? Valley. What is the answer? Valley. Lowland between two hills. This is the land. So answer is valley. 3 number. A piece of surrounded by. This is the piece surrounded by all side by water. What is this? Island. Very easy. Very large water body. Very large water body. This is large water body. In this water body we found many different type of water animals. Fish, dolphin, octopus and so on. That answer is sea. Very large water body. Answer is sea. In option given is sea, river and lake. Answer is sea. Water body flow down the mountain. Suppose this is the mountain and water body flow like this. What is this? River, lake or pond? River. Answer number 5. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Okay, students. So, the flat land area are called like this. Plains. Lowland between two hills. This two hills, ये lowland. Called valley. A piece of land surrounded. This is the piece of land and all side water. We call it island. Very large water bodies. We found fish. Okay. The answer is C. Water body flow down the mountain. Suppose this is the picture of mountain and this water body flow. That what is the answer? River. This. Okay. Now note down your homework. Homework. Read lesson number 13 and learn exercises from book. Okay, students? Next, last exercise is what are the various landforms on the earth? See here, various landforms: plain, hills, mountains, valley, plateau, island and desert. What are the various kind of water bodies on the earth? See here. Various water bodies: ocean and seas, rivers, lake and ponds. How is sea water different from the river? I told you. Listen. Sea water is very salty. We cannot drink it. But river water is fresh water. So we can drink it. This is the main difference. Okay, students? This is the difference. Now, learn exercise. Your homework is learn exercise A, B and C. see from the book with spelling. Now it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.